Guys, I'm on location in downtown Pineville, right down at that light. That's downtown Pineville. The David Weekley development has been looking gorgeous, but guess who picked up a couple of lots? True Homes. One here, priced around $650. One next door, priced around $619. Guys, let's take a tour of this Riley plan. This is one of the great True Homes plans, and how they found this lot, I do not know, because this one's got a generous front yard, but look how big this garage is. It's over 560 square feet. An average garage is 20 by 20, that's 400. So look how deep this is. So if you've got one of those trucks where you've always had trouble finding parking for it, look how deep this garage is. It's amazing. Here's another thing too. You could literally, have your cars, end right about there, and then have some workspace stuff right there. Wow, this is amazing. I usually like to walk in through the front door, so I am going to do that. I'm going to walk through the front. There are a lot of features about this house that set it apart in a major way. True Homes got a front porch. True Homes is a great local builder. They're a value builder. They give a lot of value. Now that's a wide porch for my money. Across the street, soccer field. There's a house of worship there, a house of worship there, and it gets gooder and gooder all the time. Good sized front yard. So this Riley plan, there are a lot of unique features about it that I really do like. They've got some storage space right there behind in that coat closet. Now notice up here in front, they've got a dining room with big windows, like 6-foot windows. So that's solid. And the fact that it's a clean job site is nice. A little butler's pantry space. And then you've got a regular pantry right there. The Riley's been one of their staples. You'll often see it in the model home, so no wonder they built it. Again, big windows, and the backyard, well, let me get over there. Backyard is huge. Now, you see the Friday night lights kind of lights up there because it looks like a sports field. But if your kids are in that sports, you got these two backyards. Wow, this is great, guys. Downtown Pineville, if you don't know it, do it up on Google Maps. It's right by the mall. It's got its own charm about it. So if I were to do my signature move, which is to come from the sink's going to be right here, looking out to that great room. Lovely. But here's the thing about the Riley that you may or may not know. Got a fireplace, right? But not just a fireplace. You've got a two-sided fireplace. They call this a hearth room. And boy, if you put doors on there, it looks like you've got another office or a reading room or something. But look at that. That fireplace goes through to both sides. Now these doors are cased with 8-foot openings with the headers there. So that's pretty neat. So 9-foot ceilings on the main level, but guess what? 9-foot ceilings upstairs as well. And we'll go upstairs in just a second. Back here looks like a drop zone space to me. And then you've got this powder room stuck right in the rear with a window. So I do like that. Wow. Drop your boots there, your muddy boots. This is great, guys. And the price is great. Buying a house has been pretty challenging. I think these are going to be carpeted for sure. It's been challenging, right? You've had struggle. This is a no HOA. So a lot of people really like that. So I'm at the top of the stairs. Let's go to the right and notice that we have a bedroom up here in front. Now this might be an office for you. I don't know. However you choose to use it. It's got a closet. But notice they've got a framed for a pocket door. So that means it's not going to swing open. And that makes it really easy to get into this full bath here. Again, looking out. Wow, it's a beautiful day here in Charlotte in February. And so they put water, by the way, in the tubs to check for leaks, etc. So you come here and then you've got what is in essence a family room of some level. So what if you had a multi-generational scenario where you said to your mom or dad, hey, we're taking the kids and we're going to Charlotte. We're going to give you a full bedroom and a full bath, and then this can be your living space, mom or dad, right here. You good with the stairs? Right here. I see it as multi-generational. Could be that for sure. Then you've got 2 more bedrooms over on this side with a Jack and Jill, and again, you've got that framing for that pocket door. Did I say it right the first time? Pocket door. Yeah. You got the commode and the tub and shower, then you got 2 sinks. So somebody could be in there, using the toilet facilities or taking a bath while somebody else has got the door closed and they're brushing their teeth. Here's the other. So this is the third bedroom up. And then you've got a marvelous master will end there. Guys, you want to give me a call at 704-345-3400. Let's talk about it. You need a buyer agent. So here, I always have loved a window in a laundry room. Hey, did I get the stain out of that shirt? So here's your laundry facility, but they're also going to have a place there, tabletop, where you can fold your laundry. I love that little vestibule going in. And then the primary suite is here. It's good sized, and wow, good sized windows as well. And then you come in, they're not wasting space with a tub. So many people just don't need a tub. And you've got a generous bench right there in your shower. So guys, we would love to have you reach out. Commode room right here. We'd love to be your buyer agent. In fact, Rod Kimberly is next door, checking out the one that's priced at $619. And either one of these are on your lot. You know, Rod's been helping me kind of highlight our luxury division of $1 to $3 million custom builds. But we started thinking about some of these on your lot specs. This is infill. In other words, this is not a subdivision. This is not a true home subdivision. All the other agents are working there, and any of my agents can help you with this. But Rod and I are starting to investigate some of your on your lot, you know, specs, on your lot, lots that can be built on, and so on. So we're spending time with all that. So guys, give me a call, 704-345-3400. If this could be right for you, and we'll connect you and make it happen for you. 704-345-3400.